First got back, I was really struck by all the things that were fainting. So I said I'm going to take a slower look around and focus only on positive things. So I'm going to ignore some of the things that we all see here and instead look at my Rio Grande tomatoes that are ripening. I'm going to come over here, going to take a peek inside this bag and see if perhaps, yep, I have my first, little bit of, I'm not going to focus on that. Yep, here's one. My first ripe Midnight Roma. Let's pull that. Look at that. Very pretty. Yep. Okay, what else can we focus on? Here. Whoops. Cherokee Purple. Come out and get these tomorrow. Here's another one down here. Great. Here, Lemon Boy Plus. Got, like 4 or 5 ready to come off of there. My Rebecca Allen is starting to fruit. I'm going to ignore anything negative. Keep going. Can't see what this one is. Finally, I think I see some little maybe starting to blush. And instead of, I have no idea how long that was looking at me, but Ace 55 starting to blush. Big Beef, there we go. And the good news here is that I have some more African Togo, so this doesn't really matter. Wisconsin 55 putting out a second round. My peppers are okay. Oh, my cayenne pepper looks like it's springing back from the little watering I gave it when I got home. Sugar Rush Stripey is starting to turn. And here, these are supposed to be, these are supposed to be lemon habaneros? I don't know. Whatever they are, they're pretty. So we like that. We'll keep watching, see what they actually turn out to be. A lot of productivity with some of my other peppers. So we're going to focus on those good things. Here is Manitoba. I haven't really liked this variety. It's doing something, so that's positive, but I probably won't grow this one again. Chef's Choice Orange and Yellow producing. My Kellogg's Breakfast, which I thought was going to die. So it got blight with all the rain. I cut off all the yellow branches, so it was looking like Charlie Brown Christmas tree. And here we do have one fruit, and it does look like it may be trying to come back, so we'll see. Parks Whopper has some. This was supposed to be Dr. Weish's yellow. Don't know what it is. My memory of Dr. Weish was it was solid yellow, so I'm not sure what these are, but there's a lot of those. This one is my yellow brandywine. Look at that, so pretty. This is supposed to be Chef's Choice Yellow, but I'm seeing, I don't know, maybe if you leave them on long enough they turn red. I've never seen that happen before. Big Beef, and I can't remember what that one is, but that's Mortgage Lifter. And my other yellow brandywine that was struggling, it's still hanging in there and fighting. Lots of jalapenos on my Craig's Grande. My Juliet is doing really well. I'll come and harvest those tomorrow. My jalapeno gigante has a lot of peppers, and my yellow bells are, starting to blush. This one has sun skull, but I guess I should probably come take that off. My Avarsky looking good. I'll definitely get these tomorrow. My Serranos, probably need to start looking at what I'm going to do with those. Again, these are looking good. Flowers and rosemary. Let's see, lots of paprika peppers to come and harvest. These that are fully ripe, and these over here that are starting to turn. This is my paprika plant that I thought was going to die, and I repotted it. Same size pot, just I think something was in that soil, and it has come back. It's got lots of pepper. My habanero that I overwintered has a lot of fruit on it, and one of them, they're starting to turn. A lot of droopy plants here, but I pulled off a lot of the fruit. I need to come back out. I'm tired. I'm not going to be able to finish that today. So I watered it, and we'll see if they're able to snap back. It looks like it may already be coming back a little. Not sure. We'll see. Volunteer cucumber is giving. Positive note, I sprayed a lot of BT and whatnot in here before I left, and may have some vine borer activity. I probably need to inject that, but it's okay. Super Sweet 100, it's got quite a few. It's doing what it wants to do, and I'm not going to find it, but there's a Cambodian green giant eggplant that's starting on this one. Okay, I lied. There it is. So that's positive. This one is YOLO Wonder, and it's didn't die, so that's positive. Still has a couple of peppers here. This is Sweet Marconi, and it's looking healthy, so that's good. My long purple eggplant is fruiting, and my I think it's pronounced Ichiban is fruiting as well. I don't know if we can see. It's got a couple of eggplants. This is another, I believe this is a Varsky. Yeah. So these are not turning, but there's a lot of them. This is my Black Beauty. I pulled one off that was going a little bit past ripe, but there's still some more in here. I don't know if you can see them in there hiding. And on this one as well, a couple more. So that's positive. This is one of my late planted tomatoes. The seeds arrived after I'd already had everything else started, all my arrow garden slots taken, and it's producing. Again, another YOLO Wonder, and some more bells and Sweet Marconis, I think, doing well. My Yellow Monsters, one of my favorites, doing well. Jimmy Nardello, starting to put out some more, so it's doing pretty well. Oh, I need to do something with that. My Mini Me cucumbers, doing really well. So that's good. Sage has been keeping the deer and pest critter activity down on this side. I have sage over here, and some mint. This was another cucumber, a full-size cucumber, and I honestly don't remember which one. And we're going to ignore the negatives and focus instead on the fact that it's growing and seems to be that it's going to do something. This was Chef's Choice Yellow that I broke and repotted in here, and it's surviving and continuing to do well even after I thought it was done for. So, oh, actually, I didn't break that. That was broken by the storm. So, even though there was a lot of negative, some plants that may not make it, there's a lot to be happy about too. Could have been much worse. And look, my full-size cucumber actually starting to flower. So yeah, we're going to look at this as these are the things that are going well and focus less on the things that didn't go quite as well as I had hoped. So Yay. Thank you, garden.